Hello kids, welcome to VishalKidsFun. So in this video, today we learn days of the week. D-A-Y-S, days. O-F, of. T-H-E, the. W-E-E-K, week. W-E-E-K, week, days of the week. So in this week we have 7 days. So the first one is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Next one, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Third one, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Fourth one, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Fifth one, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Seventh one, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Finish. So now let's learn all the days. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Repeat again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Please like and subscribe the video.